Devices that consume the most electricity. Everyone in the house thinks that air conditioning is the most expensive thing, but in fact, these devices also consume a lot of electricity in your house. Induction cooker, electric cooker. In modern times like today, induction cooker or electric cooker is an extremely familiar device that is indispensable in every family. But this is also a device that consumes a lot of electricity, although it is safer than using a gas stove, which can easily cause fire or explosion. Therefore, after using an induction cooker or electric cooker, you should unplug it to ensure safety and at the same time save electricity for your family. According to experts, if you continuously use an induction cooker day and night, even though you are not using it, it will still consume your money. A single cooker consumes 85 to 95 kilojoules, and a double cooker consumes 170 to 190 kilojoules per month. The specific level depends on the capacity and type of cooker. Therefore, it is not a loss that after using it, you should unplug it to save electricity. Water heater. Water heaters are devices that are often used on cold days, especially in the cold winter days. Water heaters are indispensable. Currently, most families in the north of our country use 30-liter tanks, enough for 2 to 4 people to use every day, so they consume a large amount of electricity, even more than using air conditioners. For families who have the habit of turning on only before use, an average time of 1 hour per day, the consumption is about 70 to 80 kilowatts. For families who turn on continuously and use a lot, the consumption can be up to 230 to 340 kilocalories per month. Therefore, after using the water heater, you should turn off the automat, and if there is still a power source, you should unplug it to ensure safety and save electricity for the family. Hot, cold water dispenser. Many modern families have used hot and cold water dispensers instead of electric kettles, because the hot and cold water dispenser is very convenient for users. In winter, there is hot water. In summer, there is cold water. Especially for those who often drink tea, coffee, eat instant noodles. The hot and cold water dispenser is extremely wonderful because of its convenience. However, to maintain the temperature of hot and cold water as you wish, the capacity of the tank is about 700 to 1,200 balmaru, depending on the manufacturer and capacity. If plugged in continuously and using about 6 to 8 liters of hot water per day, the tank can reach 40 to 100 kilojoules per month. Therefore, you should unplug this water dispenser when going to bed at night, but that will both save electricity and prevent fire and explosion effectively. Clothes dryer. In the winter days, especially in spring in the north of our country, it is the rainy and humid season. At this time, most families have to use a dryer to dry clothes after washing to make them fragrant and clean. However, the dryer is also an energy-consuming device. With the most popular models being 8 kilojoules vented or condensing, the usage time is from 1 to 2 hours depending on the mode, consuming 75 to 140 kilojoules per month if used daily. With a more advanced dryer line, the heat pump, the power consumption will be much lower. Desktop computers, such as laptops or desktop computers, are popular technology devices in many families with a common capacity of about 35,450 W. Some high-configuration models can have a capacity of up to 1,000 W. The average power consumption, according to EVN for desktop computers per month, is about more than 70 kilomolars. Therefore, after use, you should unplug the plug to save electricity for your family.